In this video, I will show you how can you unarchive someone from the archive list. You can see here, this is my archive list. If I want to unarchive someone from the archive list, what I have to do? So if you unarchive this person from the archive list, he will be added in your set list. You can see here in the archive list, if you find someone, he is not in your set list, he is in your archive list. So how can you unarchive and how can you add it in your set list? I will show the process through the video. If you find this video helpful for you, you can watch the video till the end. So for adding someone or removing someone from your archive list, you have to simply come here on Messenger. You can see here I want to find the person and I want to remove the person from my archive list. So for that reason, you have to click here 3 dot or 3 line menu, and then you have to simply click here on the archive option. You can see here archive option. After clicking here archive option, you can see here in your archive list the person have available, but I want to unarchive this person and want to be available in my set list. So you have to click or tap and hold for some time on this person profile, and then you have to click here unarchive. You can see here unarchive. After clicking here unarchive, this person will be unarchived from your archive set list, and you can see here this person have come in my set list. You can see here set list, this person have come in my set list. So that's how you can unarchive someone from your archive list. So this is today's video. If you think this is helpful for you, you can like, comment and share my video. So this is today's video. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.